2010 Mazda 6. This car got involved in a car accident, so we're gonna rebuild the front end, the front bumper here. I already painted with spray, nothing professional, but it looks okay. This is not a professional job, it's only for the car to look okay, nothing else. We're gonna replace the lower cover here, some brackets here, and some other few things, the splash guard. All right, we're gonna start by the corner here, two 10mm bolt. This is a clip here, and this one also is a clip, but it's missing. It's this one here, this one. So we're gonna remove this screw here, Phillips, and this clip here, this one, and the same here. Also the fog light covers right there, they're going to be replaced too. I'm gonna start here on the driver's side. And the same bolts, screws and clips are going to be removed on the passenger side. Driver's side, I'm gonna try out the bumper from here, from this corner, to drop it down. Passenger side, let's do the same that we just did on the driver's side. The next step is taking out the tires, so let's do that. And I will leave in a link for all the tools and parts that I will be using here. These are 21mm wheel nuts. And the splash guard was gone because of the accident right there. So all of these are clips, only clips. And it might have some screws. It has a screw here, right there, for this bracket and the splash guard. So this bracket, 10mm bolt for this bracket, the big bracket right there. This one we have to replace it. We have a new also. All right, passenger side here, and that's the splash guard with all the clips right there. That's the screw right there that we just saw in the driver's side, and only clips. See, as you can see. But it also, this splash guard has some clips right there inside. There is another one right there. Just pry out the clips to take them out. And this is how I'm gonna pry out all the clips from the splash shields. Let's pull out the Phillips here. And all you do is locate the clips all over the splash guard and pull them out, and that's it. We have another clip here. Now let's take the bumper out. And this is the bracket here. We still have it in the back, and this is the part number right here. The letter M, the letter A, 1042108. That's the part number. All right, here is the new one. I'm going to install it. The 10mm bolt here. And that's the bracket already installed. I don't even know what they call it. Let's install the splash shield here on the passenger side. Let's install a clip here so I can grab it. I already put a clip here. I'm gonna leave this splash shield partially installed because I have to install the front bumper first in order to finish installing these splash shields. And that is the splash guard on the driver's side, already installed. I mean partially installed. It has to be finished once the front bumper is installed. I'm gonna take this one out, the two 10mm bolts, one here and one on the other side. This cover goes under the vehicle 122131986. That is the part number. Let's install the undercover here, and this one goes like this in this position, the letters facing down. I'm gonna install this engine undercover a little bit later because the jack is on my way here. Alright, this is the lower grill. I brought it here to because there is grass here. I don't want to scratch anything here. Right, the fog light cover here. This is for the left hand side or the driver's side right there. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. This is a Phillips. Alright, that is the fog light cover on the left hand side already installed on the lower grill. I'm gonna install the one on the passenger side right now. Alright, that is the fog light cover on the passenger side already installed on the lower grill. The new front bumper right there. Right, we're gonna proceed to cut this like a brackets. I gotta say, these plastic things here. Alright, I'm gonna try to install the grill in the bumper. I'm gonna install a screw here. Alright guys, I already installed the grill here, very easy, but I was doing it the wrong way because this is not what I do. I don't have experience working like doing some kind of body work. Also, I had to put this rope here and get this bumper in this position and the position that it is. So as soon as I did this like this, the grill goes inside very smoothly with no problem. The clips, if the bumper is spread out like this from both ends, it's not easy to get in the grill here. That's because I don't have the experience. I took out the fog light covers here. I took them off from the grill and installed the grill itself. It's much better that way. I'm gonna go ahead and install the grill here. In total, probably took me about 30 minutes installing this thing here, the grill with the fog light, because I did not know how to do it. Also, if the weather is kind of cold, it doesn't help at all because the plastic gets so hard. So if it would be hot, it would be much better because the plastic will get more flexible. Right, I'm gonna install the upper grill here. This is very easy to install it. This here is the same old piece. This one is not being replaced, so you can see the difference between this one and this one here. So we're gonna install the same one. Ensure you can hear the clicks inside. All right. Alright, let's install this bumper right now on the car. I'm gonna take out the Phillips screws, one on each side, because I already screwed the splash guards. So I have to take it out because the bumper is gonna go under. So see, it has to go under the splash guard right there. And I'm gonna do the same here on this side. Gonna lock it from here. Alright, driver's side. I still have to put some clips right there around the fender with the liner here with the splash guard, because I gotta install the light right there and I have to install it by the inside of the vehicle, of the bumper. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now. We're waiting for those lamps. And that is a zip tie right there. That's the undercover right there, and the other one on the other side, the other splash guard is the same. So we're gonna leave it like that for now. This is how it looked before, you can see. So it looks much better right now. Doesn't look professional, but something that can be done at home. It looks much better than how it looked before. So thanks for watching and stay blessed.